guys before, but it's not like stay subscribe, turn on the notification bell. We're here.
Go get her.
Yep. She's like, ooh.
We'll probably do, I'll probably bring her home about like what usually. I'll take them to the park and play and then come, so
Really?
probably like 5-ish tomorrow.
Right. Sounds good.
Ooh, I'm going to the
Bye, baby. Love you.
Bye now.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Peace. Never gonna see you again, though.
We'll see how you're feeling.
He ain't sick. He got allergies.
Yeah, he's got allergies.
Well,
It's just
well,
like,
he has allergies. I'm having a growth spurt, which I'm really tired. And my eyes are killing me. Best scream of 2021. Fuck. What? What scream? What? Heard what? Did what? I did not. I said, ah! No, I said, ah! You can repeat the tape. I'm recording. When did you hear it? I said, ah! No. Paisley, let me tell them what just happened.
Okay, so we were just at the movie theaters watching Clifford the Red Dog, and we were going to go get some water, I think it was.
Yeah.
And Santa came out. Santa like jumped out of this room like that said like private, and like scared.
I almost fell down.
We oofed against the wall, and but like he scared us, and then once the movie was done, we saw Santa, and he gave us these goodie bags.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you what it is.
Donkeys.
Yeah, do you guys think they look similar?
We think they look different. Like, look at their smiles, their nose, and their ears. I think.
Yours like mine.
Oh,
Why are your ears sticking out like that?
I don't know. Look.
That's gonna be my life in 20 years.
But and their scarves are kind of different, little, right?
Yeah.
They're different.
Yeah, they're from the Dollar Tree, but
We can tell. We can definitely tell that.
look at the tags.
Tags.
I've seen these things at the Dollar Tree.
Yeah, they are. But they are very cute.
Yeah, but guess what?
And they were
By the door, private. Do you mean by the private parts?
I don't know.
That's something weird. So, like, out of the thingamabob thing we got from Santa, like this mug.
Yeah, the stuff that we got, they are different. Like my cup is like see-through with, and we actually drove by a car wash, and it had
Olaf.
And the first time we saw it, I screamed.
And the second time I looked back and I'm like, what? And then I looked and I saw Olaf, a puffed up Olaf, and I thought this was chocolate, but it was chocolate.
Yeah, we got like
chocolate.
kind of the same things. Like we got the same things, but different like types.
Yeah, but the thing I want to say is the marshmallows in that thing. So see you at the light area thing about things. We are almost there, and yes, I did take out my pigtails. I don't know why, but I made it into a nice ponytail. Well, Mom did, because I don't know how to it's
We took like a nap here, and then after we see like the lights, we're gonna take a nap back. Because
I'm in the middle of a growth spurt, so tired I am. You guys look good.
I always have this first.
So guys, I have my phone with me, so it might be easier to see. That's good.
I the light
That
on.
wind is crazy.
I think we should leave the light off so we can kind of see what's going on. And also so they can see the lights better.
Cameras aren't really good with it's blurry. Wait, holiday. The happy holidays it said? I'm not sure. Hey puppy, are you enjoying this? Named him Santa's dog.
And I named mine Mr. Ruffingtons.
Oh, that's actually a good one. I didn't really hear clearly. Guys, do you know Rompers from SD Studios? Like Sandy's dog Rompers. Yeah, his name is Santa's dog Rompers Downing. It's weird. What should we do?
Do we already see all the lights?
No, we gotta look around
Oh, why?
because there's lots of people.
It looked like a demo. Where the heck do you get the wands from? There's supposed to be wands here. Wait, how come you didn't warn us anything about the wands last time? Yes, I'm recording. Like you said the wand things. Oh, the cheese looks so scary.
Sissy, I gave you the option.
I asked why are they
I didn't
doing
know that they were doing that until I went to go buy the tickets.
No, I said last time.
I don't know if they did the last time.
Oh, I was just wondering. I don't care.
Lucky if I remember what happened last week.
What?
Oh, my back is sore. Oh, my back is sore.
My head hurts.
Look at the water.
What?
Because of the wind. How
Where?
rough it is.
I can't see.
Paisley, you can unbuckle. We're going to be driving super soon.
Oh, yay.
I don't think the camera can see them.
Oh, yeah, I can see them.
Waves are big.
Oh, my gosh.
Look at that.
Crazy. Crazy.
Oh, my.
Are they gonna be a tornado?
Oh, my cheesy Lord. Yeah,
Looks like. Is this tornado wind wise?
No, we're not.
Gosh, I hope it doesn't do anything to the lights. That won't be good at all. Because I'm annoyed by this stupid bugger.
wait, show them the trees.
Look at this, guys. It's like a rope is pulling.
I hope you guys can see that. Okay. And I don't think you guys can see the water.
I'm gonna make the camera vision lighter.
I think it's up as far as it can go. It's like, do you guys hear that? The water, if you guys can't see the water, there's like big waves.
Well, Mom, I'm gonna roll down the window real quick. Your ears. Oh my God.
Do you guys see that? Oh yeah, I think
Oh, I can feel it.
me too. Take cover.
I'm actually really not that close. I feel it.
Oh yeah, it's kind of not that bad because like it was really, because it's really hot.
It was fresh.
It's not that
Guys, look at those waves and look at that wind. Oh my God, that's so cool.
Guys, look at those waves.
I'm getting splashed.
Look at still.
Camera, don't come in home. My dog's looking at it, Santa's dog. And
My
then,
dog is there.
The only reason why I named it Santa's dog is because Son's dog.
Ah! Because it is just a little cold, but it also kind of feels nice. Look where I'm putting Mr. Lucky Things.
Yeah, that's an idea, man. Actually, you guys might too.
Mr. Lucky Things. It's gonna go there. It's so. Look at. I think the people behind us are kind of honking. Okay, we are going.
How do do you hear
Look at
that?
that wind.
Whoa, that crazy one. Dude, what is that noise? I feel okay. Why is there such crazy wind today?
I don't like your dog. Like, Santa so can see. Look at that. I can imagine. I hope you don't have like a tornado.
That blob waving. The blob. That blob right there. Big Santa blob on camera. It's big blue blob.
The blue. Oh yeah, it's like right there. Ah, it's right.
It is water.
Oh, the rain. No, the rain makes clouds. Yep, it does.
Who told us it was gonna rain? Then I'd cancel it for next week. Did you even know it was gonna rain?
I did.
Oh. Look at those. Gosh, I hope that nothing tragic happens after this wind. This wind is strong. That candy can is wiggling. I might have to make a part 2 because this is so strong. Is the car gonna flop? Look at the wind. How strong is this wind? I think the Santa Claus over there is gonna fall.
Why would I be the Santa?
They're not supposed to be moving right now. Gosh, I hope we didn't just waste our time.
I hope we don't move.
Look at that wind. It's moving.
If you don't hear from us, that means we oof. And oof means die.
Rolling
down. Down.
Rolling down.
I know you're doing that to
Shots,
me.
please.
Rolling down.
Caleb, stop.
Rudolph!
You can roll it down.
Rudolph!
Hi, Rudolph!
Rudolph! Say hi to YouTube!
Ow! Ow! Ow!
You didn't see.
Don't kill yourself! There may be a tornado! Tornado! What? Rudolph!
Were you just about to say cutie? Were you just about to say cutie? They're not a
Hi.
Sorry, this might be another long video. I cannot shorten that. I might make a part 2. We are going in front of cars.
Dinosaur! I mean dinosaur!
Holy garbage can.
Look at that. 2 plus 2 is 4.
Oh my god, we're not in school right now, stupid thing.
No, it says it right there. 2 plus 2 is 4.
Duh, we're not in school.
Well, that dolphin seems to be.
Ah!
That's a shark, not a
That's
You're
just
right,
two,
that is a shark.
two fish kissing. Oh my god.
Wait, a fish.
We are not in school! At least I don't think so. Lights are
still.
flickering on and off sometimes. Oh my. Some people are dumb enough to actually touch their heads with the lights. That's dangerous in water. Ooh, I love toys. Oh, haven't we seen these before? I reckon I've seen this before.
Jack in the Box. Oh, there's Santa.
Where's Buddy?
There's Santa with with Buddy, yeah.
Is that Buddy or no?
Well, no, he's too small to be Buddy.
Oh, Buddy's big because he's a human. Well, we're going Light Central. Oh my god. Whoa. We were going to bring our elf, my elf, but well, I don't know whose elf it is. Anyway, Santa's elf. We forgot to bring it. Is that the
It says North Pole Station.
that was... He drowned!
Playing.
It's on
That's
this...
lacrosse.
Where?
Right there. Elves are playing.
Ooh, look at that. Ooh.
They're playing baseball.
Oh, where's soccer? Oh, too bad.
They're playing hockey. And they're skating. I'm sure soccer.
Heck yeah.
There's golf up there, I can see.
Ooh, nice Santa.
Oh, he's swinging.
Rip ball. Where was?
Soccer.
That looked like basketball.
He's playing football. Sissy, you can roll the window down with me.
So cute. The bunnies. The bunnies.
There's more bunnies. See 'em?
That's not how you say hallelujah, not hallelujah. Happy birthday. That's the finale.
Very.
Giant tree.
There's Santa and his reindeer. 3, 4, 6, 8, 9.
So I hope you guys, that was it. I hope you guys really did it. Smash that like button. See you guys next time. Bye.